Morning, dear student. I am your English teacher, and today we are going to start the same chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind. Now it is on the page number 47. But Albert Einstein was not a bad pupil. Pupil means a type of a student. But Albert Einstein was not a bad student. He went to high school in Munich, where Einstein's family had moved when he was 15 months old. He was 15 months old, and his family moved to another city. And he was a good student and scored good marks in almost every subject. He was getting the good marks in every subject. It is not that he was not a good student. He was a good student. When he was 15 months old, his father and mother moved to another city and scored good marks in almost every subject. Einstein hated the school regimentation and often clashed with his teacher. He was regimentation means rules and regulation. He does not like the rules and regulation. He and mostly often clashed with his teachers. A type of arguments he does always with the teacher. At the age of 15, Einstein left. So it's typical there that he left the school for good. At the age of 15, he left the school. He was very stifled. Stifled means a type of many problem he was facing, and at last he left the school for good. The previous year, Albert's parents had moved to Milan and left their son with relatives. At the age of in the previous year, the father of Albert Einstein left Albert Einstein to the relatives, and they moved to Milan. After prolonged discussion, Einstein got his wish to continue his education, and after this, Albert Einstein continued his education in German-speaking Switzerland, in a city which was more liberal than Munich. It was a liberal city in the comparison of Munich. Einstein was highly gifted in mathematics. He was perfect in mathematics and interested in physics also. He was good in mathematics, and he likes physics too. And after finishing his school, he decided to study at a university in Zurich. After completing his study, he went to the University of Zurich. But science was not the only thing that appealed to the dashing young man, a man with the walrus mustache. But science was not the only thing that appealed the dashing young man with the walrus mustache. He also felt he also felt a special interest in a fellow student, Mileva Merrick, whom he found to be a clever creature. Now he met a girl. Her name was Mileva Merrick, whom he found to see a clever creature. This young Serb had come to Switzerland because the university in Zurich was one of the few in Europe, because it was a very famous university of Zurich. So that's why she shifted here, where women could get degrees, where this girl can get the degrees. Einstein saw in her an ally against the Philistines, those people in his family and at the university where whom he was constantly at odds. Albert Einstein likes her, and the couple fell in love. And after some time, they fall in love with each other. Letters survive in which they put their affection into words. After some time, they exchange the letters to. In that letters, they explain their loves. Wrote Einstein, "How happy and proud I shall be when we both have brought." Now, Einstein wrote in that letters, "How happy and proud I shall be when we both have brought our work on relativity to a victorious conclusion." Now, Einstein written in his letter that if we both will have together, so we can go ahead relativity to a victorious conclusion. Okay, my dear, it was a conclusion. We shall continue this story on tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Have an amazing day.